Ready for the production of tomorrow with WEISS. For decades, we have impressed with quality and expertise. For this reason, our rotary tables, handling modules, and linear transportation systems are present in production buildings around the world. Technically speaking, mostly only a few days remain for the initial commissioning instead of weeks or months as planned. With our WEISS Control Package, your production plant is ready for use in the shortest possible time. Install the hardware, connect the pre-parameterized drive technology and control, and it's ready to go. You can directly control the devices via the intuitive user interface. And with our WEISS application software, W.A.S, we also make your production future-ready, because smart services open up new possibilities for you in terms of operation, diagnostics, and maintenance. We are your gateway to the IoT. Because you can monitor actual values and status of the devices via condition monitoring and a high degree of connectivity. Thanks to auto-tuning, we ensure shorter cycle times and efficient production via analytical optimization of parameters. We focus our hardware and software expertise and support you in highly cross-linked digital production. WEISS. Be future ready.